Good morning, children. Today I am discussing class 8, chapter 2, microorganisms, friend and foe. Micro plus microorganisms, also called microbes. Micro, very small, tiny or minute, that cannot seen by our naked eyes. We can be seen with a magnifying glass or microscope. Organisms having life, cellular body structure, having functional cell performing nutrition, respiration, reproduction, excretion, respond to stimuli like light, touch, heat, cold, etc. So microorganisms are tiny organisms. We cannot see them with our naked eyes. We have to use a microscope to see the microorganisms. Due to advancement in science and technology, we were or are able to understand the reason behind polio, smallpox disease. These diseases are due to some microorganisms. There are millions. 10 lakh is equal to 1 millions of bacteria, virus, that is microorganisms in front of us or in air, but we cannot see them. Examples of microorganisms: A. Polio virus causing polio disease in child or baby. Pulse polio program was launched by Government of India to eradicate polio virus from our country. Second, malaria fever caused by Plasmodium vivax, a protozoan. Its carrier or mediator or vector is female Anopheles mosquito. Third, coronavirus, COVID-19, a microorganisms. Here we want to discuss about the virus. Virus is the connecting link between living and non-living. It has no cellular body structure. Outside the animal or human or plant, virus is a non-living, but when virus enters into a human body or animal's body, it acts as living and multiply quickly through reproduction process. Coronavirus is a deadly or fatal disease, but we Indians are in very safe or better position in comparison with others. Habitat of or presence of microorganisms. We can understand the habitat of microorganisms in this sketch diagram. Habitat of microorganisms in our body, in animal body, in air, in soil, in water, in plants. So, virus is cosmopolitan, means found everywhere. Types of or groups of microorganisms. 4 major groups. Algae. These microorganisms group perform photosynthesis, that is food making process, having green pigment called chlorophyll. Example, Spirogyra, having spiral chloroplast. Multicellular. Other is Chlamydomonas. Second group is bacteria. Some have chlorophyll like blue-green algae, also called cyanobacteria. Lactobacillus, responsible for changing milk into curd. Yeast, changing natural sugar into alcohol. The process is called fermentation. Bacteria is also responsible for souring of milk. Third group of microorganisms is fungi, fungus singular. 1. No chlorophyll, no photosynthesis, multicellular. Example, bread mold, aspergillus, etc. Penicillium. Penicillium produce first antibiotic called penicillin. Antibiotic is the chemical that destroy or kill or prevent the growth of disease causing germs called pathogen. Alexander Fleming prepared or obtained first antibiotic of world, penicillin, for which he was honored by Nobel Prize in Medicine. Fourth group is protozoa. Protozoan 1. Primitive or less developed organisms. No chlorophyll, no photosynthesis. Example, amoeba, paramecium, ciliate protozoa. Plasmodium vivax, causing malaria fever in human. Plasmodium vivax vector, female Anopheles mosquito bite human and human suffer from malarial fever. Fifth group is virus. Viron 1 or singular. Virus is connecting link between living and non-living, having both the living features inside the body of the organisms as well as non-living features outside the body of plants and animals. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, caused AIDS disease. HIV discovered by Luc Montagnier. Perhaps coronavirus came out during discovering of AIDS vaccine. Polio virus causing polio disease in children. Cough and cold is due to viral infection. Virology, study of virus. Personal hygiene is essential for us. Help us to prevent disease. Some are early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Second, wash hands with soap when it is required. Cut nails regularly. Fourth, eat food along with garlic, onion, ginger, etc. to increase our immune system to be healthy. Fifth, always use clean clothes and shoes. Sixth, regular bath or take bath every day. Seventh, wear mask during cough and cold, sneezing to prevent infection. Keep social distancing in prevent corona disease. And now for assignment. This is question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth question part is this. This is for your fifth question for the assignment number 5. We will video. Thanks.